You are cordially invited to attend the Gary Air Show. Just 30 minutes away from Chicago and surrounding south suburbs, Gary, Indiana's newly renovated Marquette Park will continue the tradition of providing awesome aviation acts, family fun, plus food and merchandise. And the best part is that admission is free. So mark your calendars for July 11th and 12th to witness one of the greatest tourist events in Northwest Indiana. For more information, please visit the official website at gary-airshow.com. See you there.